Cars came out today in the sunshine. Enjoy this nice, quiet, wintry day. It's a nice day to come out and look at the sunshine. It's about +4 Celsius today, January 21st, 2021. No snow this year that much. Pretty dry out, but it keeps the cars clean at the same time. No need for cleanup with the snow. Tell me, what do you guys think? They're both fairly clean right now. This one just sits in the indoors or inside the tent most of the time. Doesn't really see that much daylight, so I decided to bring her out to join the gray one. This one is always out, the grandpa. And this one's always in, the lunatic. VRSF charge pipe installed because the other one blew up. The plastic one was exploded. So the VRSF charge pipe. If you guys want to see it, I'll show it to you real quick. Right, open the hood. By the way, I just installed also these struts, the hood struts, so that the hood actually opens by itself and doesn't slam on top of my head. These struts right here, they're not factory, they're aftermarket, but they do the job. So what are they, 16 bucks a piece, something like that. Alright, these also did them on the E60 as well, on the 5 Series. But here's the VRSF charge pipe, right down there. There is the logo. So it's aluminum. This is where it bolts on right here. Not bolts on, just snaps on with this clip. And it goes somewhere there underneath in that direction. So it's an aluminum one. It's been powder coated black, I guess. Yeah, so it shouldn't happen anymore. Hopefully for the life of the car. There you guys have it right there. So that's basically it. Any comments, questions, post them below. Hopefully I can answer them for you. There you go. E60 had the same struts installed. If anybody wants to see that, I'll show them now. This double pulling on the handle is just annoying. Single one is just so much better, old school. A lot of sunshine today. Look Look at how the hood just opens by itself. And I just press it down a little bit, and there it goes. This is the first time I've done this hood struts on this car since I've owned it back in 2010. Actually, January 21st, today is the 11-year anniversary of me owning this car. So these are also aftermarket URO parts. Let me see if I can focus that. Euro parts, also aftermarket. These are only $6 a piece. Very easy to install. You take a screwdriver and you pop out the little clip right here outwards this way, and same thing on the bottom one. You take the screwdriver and you just click it in and just pop it out, and as soon as you pop them out, you just you know, go this way, go right on this one and go left on the driver's side. Just pop them out, and then the new ones, when you install them, you don't need to use any screwdrivers, nothing. They're already preset, so you just pop them in. Easy as pie, really. On the E60, I didn't have to remove anything at all. No cowlings, nothing like that. It's all here. But on the F30, I had to just remove a couple of the pieces, the plastic pieces, like you know, that they interfere with the removal of the lower portion. Not the top ones are easy, and the ones that are on the hood, but these lower ones, they are harder to get to on the F30. These are open, wide open, and easy to get to. That's it. It was like $7 each, 6 and change for this one, so it's like 14 bucks. You know, 13 and change, whatever it was. And then like on the F30, they were $16 a piece, something like that, right? Both aftermarket, both do the job. Guys don't need to spend $60 or $70 or $80 on just one factory. So that will be like $120, $130 on these things made by Stabilis, which is factory BMW stamped part. So yeah, there you go. That's it. It's a short video of these two being out in the sun today. Here I am, all bundled up. Not much going on, just taking it easy today. What do you guys think? Anybody needs any help with those things, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.